So the customers that use Mimica, they're typically focused on 4 different types of transformations: eliminate, simplify, standardize, and automate. Now, you want to do all 3 of those first steps first before you try to automate something. So if a process can be eliminated, or there are steps in the process that can be eliminated, you want to do that first. Second, you want to simplify the process. So if there are any approvals or steps that don't need to be there or can be reconfigured, those are actions that you want to take first. You want to standardize the process. So many of our customers are multinational organizations, same process happening differently on different teams or different regions. So you want to get everybody rowing in the same direction so that you can deploy a single automation that's going to automate all the work. And that is the last and final step, is to automate. Now, if the recommendation is automation, Mimica can tell you what is the appropriate technology that you should use to automate that process. That could be RPA, OCR, IDP, Gen AI. So RPA, robotic process automation. So some of the key vendors in this space are UiPath, Automation Anywhere. This is your old school vanilla automation where you're building these software robots that are essentially interacting with the computer the same way a human does. And it's very funny to watch them work because they'll open up the browser and they'll scroll the page and they'll type data into fields. And it's an old school way of automating things, but the strength of it is that it can connect all these disparate systems together where you don't have API integrations. So RPA, OCR, if you have unstructured data in a process, you may want to extract the text using OCR, or IDP is another technology that you can use to go from unstructured or semi-structured invoices or order forms into a tabular structure. And then finally, Gen AI, which everybody is extremely excited about. Everybody's looking for opportunities to bring Gen AI into the business. So Mimica can record your entire department and identify every Gen AI automation opportunity. And as a matter of fact, very soon we plan to deploy our own agents, which are capable of interacting with unstructured data and executing business processes autonomously.